welcome back to Quail Keepers. Today we're going to
make a quail balloon.
So this happy 2021, everybody. Our first video in 2021.
Yes. So first, we're gonna split the balloon. This might take a while, so.
All right. So your balloon should be like this. So your balloon should be the length of this. Hopefully you can measure it. And now we
let some air out.
I just ways to tie it, but I just like my own. We use a yellow balloon just to look like white Texas A&M. I think it's a white Texas A&M. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna. So here's it tied. We tied it. Okay, so now here's how you make a quail balloon. First you
twist that.
First you twist the little head. It should be like that size. I think it's that size. That size. Then you. Oh no, it's untied. Okay, so you make three. So you make three twisted circle thingies. One, the first one should be small. And the second and third should be the same length and taller than and longer than the first one. Should be about like that, and then you tie it. Now it should look like a dog ears, but no, it's gonna become a quail soon. We're gonna make like a body. The wings have to be a little bit big. The wings have to be a little bit bigger than the body. And then yeah, I think I'm doing it. Yeah. So here's the body. So here's what it should look like. I'm gonna flip it upside down. The body's supposed to be under it. So yeah, here's a little body. Here's the body. Here's the thing. Alright, now it's time to make the legs. Two twists. I think that's what it should be. And you take this one and this, tie that one and twist it down. And then you slip that under. Yeah, twist it. And there you go. Here's your quail. It has like a little bit more, but you can do whatever you want. You can also fold up this part. If your balloon was a bit too long, you can just do that, but I'm just gonna leave it. And there you go. Here's your quail balloon. Here's its tail. Here's the legs. Here's its head, and here's the wings. And yeah, that's how you make a quail balloon.